Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can stretch your videos or photos using uniform scale in the Capcut PC apps. So first open the Capcut PC apps and select your videos or photos that you want to edit. So to stretch the videos, you are just going to see for the option in the right side and select basic, and you can find uniform scale. So just turn off the uniform scale and you can stretch for the width and height. For example, you can change for the width and change for the height like this as you like. So you can also add the keyframe to to this uniform scale. Okay, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have done that already. So if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.